This is our solar connections with T4 special parallel connectors. We bought this for the complete installation. The solar panels are two panels connected in series and four series of two panels. This is the one. This is the second installation. The same way, two panels connected in series and two parallels connected in this bank and two in the other. This is our solar connection for the hybrid wind solar 5 kilowatts system. And this is our battery bank installation with foam protection, two series. These are connected the back for 12 volts to complete 48 volts, the one bank, and in parallel the second bank, in the same way protected with the foam for eventually any error. It's completely protected and completely in isolation.